What's up everyone, Evan here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer money to your Chime account. So let's say that you have money in a separate bank account, but you want to transfer some of that money or all of that money over to your Chime bank account. What you can do is open up the Chime app on your phone and then go to the tab where it says Move Money. And next you want to click on where it says Transfer from Other Banks. So it says add money from external account, transfer money in and out of Chime by linking an external account. So what we need to do is click on where it says link your external account. Then it's going to tell us that Chime uses Plaid to connect our account. And Plaid is just a linking service for banks. So what we can do is click on continue. And next we need to select the bank that we want to transfer money from. So you can either look through all the banks here, or if you don't see your bank, you can go up to the search bar and search for your bank name. I'm going to select the bank that I use. And now we need to enter in our username and password for our bank. Now, once you enter in your bank's username and password, all you have to do is click on where it says submit. And then it might ask you to verify. So just select an option to verify yourself. And then we can see our bank account listed right here. So if we go ahead and make sure that this is checked, we can go ahead and click on continue. And then it's going to say success. Your account has been successfully linked to Chime. So now we can go ahead and click on continue. And then it might ask you to verify your account again. So just go ahead and click on confirm. And now we can enter in an amount of money that we want to send from our external bank account to our Chime checking account. So let's just say we want to send $5 from our external bank to our Chime checking account. Once we enter in $5, go ahead and click on where it says transfer. Then it's going to ask us to review. So we're sending $5, which is going to be available on March 7th from our external bank to our checking account. So if we go ahead and click on confirm, it'll tell us that the transfer is requested and the $5 will be transferred to our account on March 7th, which is exactly 7 days from now. So this transfer could take up to 7 days to process, but after those 7 days, you should have your money transferred to your Chime account. So that is how you can send money to your Chime bank account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like, but that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.